I'll never let you go. Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Well, it's the YouTube babe here, and if it's your first time here, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Because in today's video, I'll be showing you a simple way, quick, and a hack that you can use to style a simple bandana onto your head. You can say like a headband, not really. You can also say like a cholo. Yeah, that is the goal of the day. So grab onto your bandana, bring the swagger in, be ready to do this. Well, what you need in this particular tutorial is a bandana, maybe a flat surface, which is not a must, an iron box to iron it out, which also it's not a must. And the most important thing is the cholo attitude. You have to have that, because you cannot just have this makeover and go out there with no attitude. You have to change that face. And in that case, also like this video because it actually helps me out a lot. And remember, it's a series that we're doing. It is the last of the last bits, so after this make sure that you watch the other videos. And now I know you're like, bitch, just get into the video, you already have the attitude. Okay, let's just do this. Well, I actually enjoy doing things. So this is the bandana that I have. Most of the times if you're doing the cholo thing, you go in with black or white and all this color, but whichever color you choose, well and good. Let's just do it. So place it on a flat surface or just do it on air. Remember, I told you the flat surface is not a must, but if you have a flat chest, you can always make use of it. Anyway, enough of the jokes. So we did like this, making sure that the inner side faces the front side. So we did like this, just rotate it and form something that seems like that shape of a dime. And then also, if you're doing it on air, you can also do the same thing, but you know, on a table. But do you know, you do not have to rotate it on the table. You just pick that tip and then bring it to this tip like this, and not like this, just that tip to this tip, the opposite ones. So this case, with this in form of a diamond, it is much easier. So from this tip to this tip, to form something like a triangle. Yeah, it seems like a samosa is a snack that we eat over here. Inside that samosa you can have katofel, which means potatoes. Oh, you can have fish. I hope I'm saying that like right. Or steak, that is meat. Or steak, you can have green grams, you can have all those in it. But on the top it's made with flour. Anyways, with your shape like this, like that of a triangle, the next thing is very important. So you want to make a fold. How do you go about it? You just pick this side. Okay, with it like this, just rotate it and place it like this, and then make your first fold like that. It is just one fold. One fold is good and easy, and then you drop it like that. In most cases, I always hide this thing whereby we always fold the first fold and then the second fold. You find that that tip is hidden to have something like this. In this particular case, if you want to have something like this kind of shape, it will be okay, but in today's tutorial we're doing it differently. But let me just show you. If you do it plainly like this, there's something that we want that will not be seen. Okay, when you do the full folds, let me redo that. You just fold the first one. Okay, not like that. This bandana should be like this. You do the first fold, and then the second one, and then the last one to close it in. If you do it this way, once you tie it on your head, there's something that is very important. There's a tail that you want to show out there with the attitude and everything, but if you do it this way, it will not be seen. But also, this is one way in which you can do that, but I'll be showing you the best way after this. With this, if you choose to go for this kind of shape, you'll just go ahead and place it on your head, not where the hair is starting, where the forehead is at. you need to like maybe even place it somehow closer to your eyebrows, and then from this, then make a knot at the back. You can place it onto your head, onto your hairs, or below the hairs, but that is not what we want. We are focusing on, so with your hair at the back, you'll get a shape like that. So you can just choose to go with it like that, or bring this, you do the fold, the knot from the front, this side I mean, place your knot right there, and remember to always bring it to the front. You can choose your ears in or ears out. So the other one, now to the very main style of the day. What you do is, with it folded towards this point, remember you can always watch to see how we did it up to this point. You just make your first fold like that, and then let this tail, I call it a tail, tip tail edge. And by the way, so first of all, please like this video, share it out. Remember, here we do all about tutorials and lifestyle, and you can always check that out and subscribe. So with it like that, just fold it, and then you'll have something like that. Mine is too neat, it shouldn't be that neat. But yeah, you get the point. You just fold it, and then we want to place it onto the side. I don't know which is the best side. Let's try all sides, and then we'll decide together the best. Oh, so I have placed it there, then we do the knots, and then we'll have something like that. You can always choose to tuck in one of these and then place the other one. I'm telling you, if you do it in black or white, it will look more serious and critical, and the attitude that you want to be seen. So you can do it like that, or bring it to the front, or this other particular side. But let me see. So if that particular style is like seeming messy and all, what you do, instead of letting this leaf be on the outside, we just let it be on the inside. So like this. So you place it, instead of it being outside, you place it there like that. This one is even much prettier and neat. So if you push it to the side, it is still coming off, it is still here. So it's just upon you to choose the one that you feel best works for you. If you want it on the outside, on the inside, which one you feel like, yeah, that is the one I want to rock and roll with. So yeah, there you have it. Remember, it's all about lifestyle and tutorials in this channel, so you can always choose to come back, watch this video, share it out there, comment down below, and to watch more of my amazing content, just click here. Here. See you there.